We will demonstrate how to simulate current, voltage, and resistance. Prepare 2 paper funnels. Block the funnels with chopsticks. Place the funnels into the openings of the bottles. Fill the funnels with the same amount of oil. Remove the chopsticks simultaneously. Observe the rate of flow of oil. Repeat the experiment with straws of different diameters. Again, observe the rate of flow of oil.